Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institute to help the students who want to enter I.S.I and want to sit in the examination, which is called BStat and BMath. So this is a book for the preparation of BStat and BMath examination. Okay, now let's check the problem. Here we are given a fixed point P with coordinate 3, 4 and a fixed point Q with coordinate x, root over 25 minus x squared, and mx is the slope of the line PQ. Then we have to find limit x tends to 3 mx. So this is a point P with coordinate with coordinate 3, 4 and a point Q with coordinate x, root over 25 minus x squared. So this is the line PQ and mx be the slope. Now we know that slope is equals to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2 if we have 2 points with coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now here y1, let y1 is root over 25 minus x squared, that is the y coordinate of q, and y2 is 4, that is the y coordinate of p, and x1 minus x2 is nothing but x minus 3. Now we have to find the limit x tends to 3 root over 25 minus x square minus 4 divided by x minus 3. Now as we can see, this is results in something by 0. Therefore we need to apply the L'Hopital rule. Applying L'Hopital rule, we get limit x tends to 3. So doing the derivative in the numerator, we get 1 by 2 root over 25 minus x square multiplied by minus 2x, and in the numerator we get only 1, and therefore this results in minus x divided by root over 25 minus x square limit x tends to 3. Therefore this is equals to 3 divided by root over 25 minus 9, which is 3 by 4. So the required answer is minus 3 by 4. So that's all for today. Now we sort of such classes provide study materials on different I.S.I head-dress examination and mock test series also available in our educational center. So you can join us. For further details, you can check our website also, which is www.sarasclasses.com, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.